penis. You just hear me yelling like, "Oh fuck me!" Like, Diablo boss battle. Oh fuck me compilation. Oh, we're gonna kill this motherfucker. You ready? Sure, yeah. Go for it. I'll stand back so I don't burn. Well, you're comboing him on the job.
Allahu Akbar!
He teleported. My barrage isn't working. I'm sorry. Okay. Shit. Help, 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 help. I'm running away, I'm running away.
Huh?
Alright, my barrage cut out, I'm sorry. Jesus Christ. Dude, oh my god, stop teleporting. I know, I'm gonna finish him off with my bare ass hands. Oh my god. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Allahu Akbar!
Take over. I still got it for some reason. Alright, reset. I don't like credits. Credits can eat my ass, bro.